Welcome to Mary's Monday Minute. We're serving staff and students lunch out of the Shoug Shack. We definitely had to go through a lot of steps. We had to do business stuff where we had a business person come in and we had to talk with them about how to do the food truck and how to plan it out. Then we had to do the cost and whatnot, and then we had to plan what we were going to serve for that day. Our hands-on is technically finding a meal that we want to do, and we have to make it a reality. So we work as a team and we go in the kitchen and we start making the stuff that we need, get the ingredients put together so that we all have that one dish ready for taste testing for Ms. Yost. And then we present it, and then if they say yes, we go on the food truck and serve that. Today we're serving mac and cheese with a side of steamed broccoli. Definitely prepares us for like if you want to run your own food truck or restaurant, want to go into the serving industry. I mean, I've learned a lot.